In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change data hosting location in HubSpot. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make and add a bit of context so you understand what's changing and why it matters. Data hosting location determines where HubSpot stores your data, which can be important for compliance, privacy requirements, and even performance. Make sure you have the right permissions in your HubSpot account before you begin. Start by opening your browser and heading to your search engine of choice. Type HubSpot and open the official HubSpot website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. If you manage multiple portals, confirm you're in the correct one before proceeding, since you're about to adjust an account level setting. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for the gear icon. That gear opens your settings, which is where all of your account level preferences live. Click it to open the settings area. Inside settings, locate the section called Account Defaults. This is the hub for foundational preferences that apply across your account. If you don't see it right away, it may be listed in the left sidebar or under your general account settings. Click Account Defaults to open it. Next, find the Data Hosting option. This section shows your current data hosting region and any options that may be available to you. Click Data Hosting to view the details. Here, look for the option to change your data hosting location. Click Change. Depending on your plan, region, and account status, you may see a list of available regions. Common choices often include regions like North America or Europe, but your exact options can vary. Choose the new data hosting location that best aligns with your company's compliance needs and where your customers primarily are. It's a good idea to coordinate this choice with your legal or compliance team if you're subject to specific regulations. If the change isn't immediately available in your portal, you'll see the option to register your interest. Click Register your interest to let HubSpot know you want to move your data to that region. This doesn't switch you over on the spot. Instead, it submits your request to HubSpot so they can review availability and next steps. After you register, keep an eye on your inbox for updates from HubSpot and plan for potential timelines or migration windows they provide. That's it. You searched for HubSpot, signed in, opened settings with the gear icon, went to account defaults, selected data hosting, clicked change, chose a new region, and, if needed, registered your interest. Before you close out, communicate the pending change to your team and update any internal documentation or privacy disclosures as necessary. Thanks for watching and good luck with your HubSpot data hosting update.